People want to be associated with the essence of what these brands give in a worldwide stage. Through I guess, fashion first, and then it trickles down to home collection. I find luxury brands, I guess they have this elusiveness, and where it's almost untouchable, and people want a piece of that elusiveness, and they love to have a piece of luxury in their life. And I saw the excitement in people when they started to look at these brands. So I learned that through Versace, and started to understand what the clients was drawn to and what their desires were. And it allowed me to learn what the clients were discovering, and what they were discovering with themselves as well, because I was seeing a part of their personality traits coming through what they were loving. And especially when we would go to their homes and we started to look at what they wanted in their homes and the type of styling and the furnishings, we would often look in their wardrobes and say, well, how they dress emulated what their style was as well throughout their home. And we got to have very, I guess, an intimate look into people's luxury lives and understand that. So I guess the philosophy for me came through learning what the clients were wanting. And I think the clients were really just wanting the best of the best. And when they're at that level of wealth, there's no trade-off. They want, I guess, the best of luxury, the best name, but it also goes into the top quality manufacturing, styling, detailing, all the way through down to the service. The clients that we have is not just all about showing off to their friends. They actually enjoy having the quality in their home, and they enjoy knowing that they have the best that money can buy. But I will always be respectful of the brand, because that's the essence of what's drawn them to us in the first place. So for me, it's about being the portal. I want to send the message through the client with how I design. So the message is, I want to give them an experience of what that brand represents to them in their home, and they can live and breathe that every day of their life.